Hello everyone, is your car having trouble shifting gears or stuck in one gear? Are you noticing a drop in fuel efficiency or feeling the transmission slipping? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0762 Shift Solenoid C Stuck On, this means your transmission solenoid is not disengaging properly, leading to rough shifting or limp mode activation. In this video, I'll explain what P0762 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0762? The P0762 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that Shift Solenoid C is stuck on, preventing normal gear changes. Ignoring this issue can cause harsh or delayed shifting, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine light on, increased fuel consumption, slipping gears or rough acceleration, transmission overheating. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the components responsible for the issue. To diagnose P0762, check these key components. Shift Solenoid C. Location, inside the transmission valve body near the transmission pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifting. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP, sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function, measures hydraulic pressure and helps regulate shifting. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function, monitors input shaft speed for accurate shifting. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, typically under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function, controls shift solenoids and overall transmission operation. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the solenoid sensors and PCM. Function, ensures proper electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause shift failure. Common causes of P0762. Faulty Shift Solenoid C. If stuck on, it won't allow proper gear disengagement. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid. Debris can clog the solenoid. Wiring or connector issues. Corrosion, short circuits, or loose connections can cause malfunctions. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Failure. Incorrect readings can affect shifting. PCM-TCM software problems. A software update or reset may be needed. Internal transmission problems. A damaged valve body or clutch pack may require repair. How to fix P0762. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid C. Test for electrical continuity using a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Compare its readings with expected values. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires. Step 5. Test the input speed sensor, ISS. Ensure it's providing correct data. Step 6. Examine the PCM-TCM connections. Make sure they're clean and securely attached. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0762 can cause major transmission problems and expensive repairs. Diagnosing the problem early can save you from a costly breakdown. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0390, camshaft position sensor, B, circuit low, P0391, camshaft position sensor, B, circuit intermittent. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.